Assalamu alaikum to all the students. Welcome to you all in our English literature class. As you know that we have started lesson number 19. Okay, and we have to continue the same. Okay. Now come to the lecture number 23. As you know that we have completed 22 lectures of literature. Today we are going to start lecture number 3, which is about the same lesson, My Love for Dora, which is lesson number 9 of your novel book David Copperfield. Okay, and we will continue the same topic today, and we will continue the written work also today. So everybody should have the books, page number 59. Open page number 59. I want all of you to open page number 59 so that we can start the lecture. These are some important characters of the lesson. David Copperfield, of course, then David Arns, who was ruined and her property and all the money has lost, so she had came to live with David Copperfield. Okay, Peggotty was there. Then Mr. Wickfield, who is the father of Agnes. Agnes is, you can say, one of the friend of David. Uriah Heep is there, who is a strange person, who is a humble person, lives with Mr. Wickfield or work with Mr. Wickfield. Traddles will be there in this chapter, who is the childhood friend of David, and Mr. Micawber will be there. Now come to the page number 59. Mr. Wickfield has changed. Now in this chapter we will come to know David's aunt met with Agnes. Okay, David will introduce Agnes to his aunt, Auntie Betsy. Then Mr. Wickfield will be looking very changed, totally changed, and David will be shocked by looking at him. Uriah's control over Mr. Wickfield. What did David identify with the changed look of Mr. Wickfield? This is the reason that Uriah has totally controlled Mr. Wickfield's business as well as his personality. Then Uriah's habit annoyed Miss Trotwood when he will be introduced to the auntie. Now come to page number 59. Yes, I would like to call yes, Ramla, you should start the reading.
Mr. Wickfield has changed. Soon after this, I met Agnes again. She had come to London with her father and Uriah Heep. I
Uriah
took
Heep.
her Uriah Heep.
Yes.
I took her to my rooms to see my aunt. My aunt was very pleased to see Agnes and welcomed us cheerfully. We talked about my aunt's lessons,
Losses.
I, losses.
Hmm.
I told them that I meant to find a job in addition to my work at Spenlow and Jorkins.
Yes.
Agnes said the headmaster of my old school, Dr.
Strong.
Dr. Strong was in London and looking for a secretary. I sat down to write to him immediately.
Stop. Stop.
While I
Stop,
was
stop, stop,
writing,
Ramla. Stop. Acha, first I'll explain these points. Okay, then you will be, we will continue. Acha, what happened in this chapter? Then soon after this, I met Agnes again, and David met with Agnes, and he also introduced Agnes to his aunt. Um, Yes, he took her to his room to see the aunt. Okay, the Auntie Betsy was very much pleased to see Agnes, and she also welcomed her cheerfully. Okay, then they talked about aunt's losses, what she had already lost. Okay, before coming here to live with David, she had lost everything, all her property and her all of the money. Only the cottage was left, so she came here to live with David because she was ruined. At the same time, Agnes also told David that your old school headmaster, he is looking for a secretary, as David had also disclosed that I am trying to search another job also. By it, he will be doing the second job to help his aunt. Okay, and then Agnes told David that Dr. Strong is also looking for a secretary, so you can also apply over there. At the same time, David sat down to write to to Dr. Strong immediately so that he can get that job. Okay, he is doing double job. He is trying to do double job so that he can help his auntie. Yes, Halima Tahir, you should continue the reading. Yes,
While I
Halima.
was writing, Agnes was cleaning and tidying every part of my rooms. I watched her and thought how much she did in her calm and quiet way.
Calm,
Then
calm.
there
Not
was
claim. Halima, this is not claim. This is calm and quiet way.
calm and quiet way.
Yes.
Then there was a knock at the door. Agnes, whose face was suddenly pale, said, "I think father has come." I opened the door. Mr. Wickfield come in and Uriah Heep
Came
come
in.
in behind him.
Came.
Came in and Uriah Heep came in behind him. I had not seen Mr. Wickfield for a long time and his appearance shocked me. He looked much older, his face was red and he looked unhealthy. His hands trembled, but something shocked me more than all this. He was clearly
Absolutely.
ab- absolutely controlled by Uriah Heep. This respectable, kind gentleman obeyed the mean, twisting Uriah.
Just wait. Okay, wait. Now, yes, what is in these two paragraphs? While David was writing to Dr. Strong about to get this job, about getting this job of secretary, Agnes was cleaning and tidying the room, every part of the room of David. Okay, he was looking at her that she is very calm, very quiet, very polite, और बहुत सुकून से she was doing all the work in his room. Then there was a knock at the door. At the door knock, Agnes was just like her face became pale. Pale um, means that whatever is the complexion or color of the face, it become white or yellowish white. It is called pale. Okay, yellowish white means it becomes pale. जैसे खून खुश्क हो जाए किसी की body का तो what should be the look of the body color? Okay, this is called pale. Okay, her face become pale because she suddenly thought that the father has come. When the door was opened, Mr. Wickfield came in, okay, who is the father of Agnes, and Uriah Heep also came behind him. Okay, in front, Mr. Uriah Heep was coming at the back side of Mr. Wickfield. Uriah Heep was coming. I had not seen Mr. Wickfield for a long time. Means David was looking Mr. Wickfield after a very long time. काफी दिन के बाद उसने देखा, and his appearance shocked me because he was looking very unhealthy and his hands were trembling. Okay, shivering कर रहे थे उनके hand. But something more make him shocked is he was clearly and completely under control by Uriah Heep. He is a mean, twisting person, and this very great gentleman is totally under control by Uriah Heep. He is about to say this thing. Now turn the page, come to page number 60, and I want Anamta, you should read. Yes, Anamta.
Agnes softly said to him, "Father, here is Miss Trotwood and David. We have not seen them for a long time." And then Mr. Wickfield shook hands with my aunt and with me. I saw
Anamta, can
Uriah
you
smile.
please speak louder? थोड़ा सा loud बोलिए.
Okay, मैं शुरू से
हाँ, obviously.
Agnes softly said to him, "Father, here is Miss Trotwood and David. We have not seen them for a long time." And then Mr. Wickfield
Shook
hands with
hands.
shook hands with my aunt and with me. I saw Uriah smile an ugly smile. Agnes saw too, for she stepped away from him. He twisted himself about in such an unpleasant way that my aunt became very annoyed. She said in
Became
a
very
cross voice,
annoyed.
became very annoyed. She said in a cross voice, "What's he doing? Don't twist like that, sir. If you are a worm, behave like one. If you are a man, control your body." Sir,
Stop.
Mr.
Stop,
Heap
Anamta,
was
stop. Acha, now what is here? Agnes softly said to him, like to her father, that father, here is Miss Trotwood. She introduced Auntie Betsy to her father and David also. We have not seen them for a long time. Means she is confirming with her father that we haven't seen both of them after a long time. हम काफी दिन के बाद इनसे मिल रहे हैं, because he was looking very unhealthy and very disturbed mentally also. So she was declaring to her father that we are having this meeting after a long time. And then Mr. Wickfield shook hands with the auntie and also with David. I saw Yuria smile, an ugly smile. Means David was looking and noticed, he was noticing Uriah Heep, that how does he like this meeting. So he was giving an ugly smile. Agnes saw this ugly smile too for this, and she stood at a step away from him. Uriah Heep was twisting his body like a snake, you can say, because he had this typical habit of doing this. Then Miss Betsy Trotwood was very much annoyed by this activity of Uriah, so she gave a fierce speech to him that what are you doing? If you're a worm, behave like one, okay? And if you are a man, then control your body, because these type of twisting body habit, mostly worms has got this activity. So you are a man, so control your body and behave like a man also. Yes, Subhana, can you read? Subhana, can you read? Okay, Aisha Hassan, you should start reading. Aisha Hassan, yes.
Mr. Heath was rather frightened by my aunt's fierce speech. Afterwards, he spoke to me quietly so my aunt would not hear. I know that Miss Trotwood had a bad temper, although she is an excellent lady. He said, I only came to ask whether there was anything we could do in the present situation, mother. So I or Wickfield and Heath would be very glad to help.
Just wait,
I
wait, wait,
I co-
wait, Aisha. Acha, Mr. Heath was rather frightened after hearing this fierce speech of Miss Trotwood. He became frightened, and afterward he spoke to me quietly, so my aunt would not hear. Then Uriah he talked to David, so that he actually whispered at that time, so that Auntie Betsy could not listen what he is saying. What he whispered, I know that Miss Trotwood had a bad temper, although she is an excellent lady. He said, I only came to ask whether there was anything we could do in the present situation. Mother or I or Wickfield and Heap would be very glad to help. Means he is saying that we came here to help Auntie Betsy, as she has lost all the things she had got in past. So she has lost all her money and her all property. So is there anything which I and my mother or Mr. Wickfield can do? Anything, we will be very happy. We will be having a very glad feeling to help her. Although she is a very bad tempered lady, but she is also an excellent lady. That's why she is, sorry, Uriah Heep is going to, he wants to actually help Auntie Betsy. Yes, Muhammad Arif, can you read? Muhammad Arif, can you start reading? We have last one more paragraph. Yes, Muhammad Arif.
I quite agree with what Uriah says, said Mr. Wickfield. He said this in a dull, obedient voice, to be trusted in this way in my reward. Master Copperfield, said Uriah. I saw the same ugly smile on his face again and saw how he watched him.
Okay, thank you so much. Now, what happened in the last paragraph? David is going to say that I quite agree with that. Yulia says, actually, Mr. Wickfield is totally under control and overruled by Yulia. So he is giving his expression of agreement that whatever Yulia has said, I totally agree with that. This is the wording of Mr. Wickfield. And he said these words in a dull and very obedient voice, that he is a junior one and Uriah Heep is a senior officer of him. So he is in a very dull and obedient voice, he is saying that thing. To be trusted in this way is my reward, Master Copperfield. These words said by Uriah, that to be trusted in this way means if you are trusting me to help Auntie Betsy, it is my reward. Okay? I saw the same ugly smile on his face again. Again, he was not saying all the things by his heart and soul. वो सिर्फ ऊपर ऊपर से he was just showing that he is very glad to help her. Otherwise he was giving an ugly smile and saw how he watched me, और उसने उसको किस तरीके से देखा. It was totally noticed by David. Now everybody, we have one more chapter. Okay, we will inshallah continue it tomorrow. First, now you should take out your copies. Ramesh, I will call you tomorrow, okay, for reading. I will remember Vanya, Ramesh and Alishba Rizwan also, okay. I'll make you read tomorrow. Now everybody take out your copies, and before making you write question answers, or before continuing the question answers, the written work, I want to ask some you can say important points or questions, okay. Acha, these are some presentation questions. What changes did David see in Mr. Wickfield? Yes, who will tell me the answer of this one? Anam Zafar, can you give me the answer? Anam Zafar, can you give me the answer of question number 1? Yes.
Miss David saw.
Acha, Shahroz, you are here. Okay, fine. Okay, Shahroz.
Miss David saw.
Hmm.
Miss David saw many changes in Mr. Wickfield, such as he was very unhealthy. His hands were trembled.
Yes.
He
And
looked, and something much more was something much
very
more
good.
unusual. David saw was that he was fully under control by Uriah
Yes,
Heep.
Julia. Very good. Very nice answer. Yes. Who will give me the next answer? Question number 2. Why was David shocked? Why was David shocked? Yes, Sanya, can you give me the answer? Why was David shocked? No, Eamon, don't write it in your copy. ये काम नहीं करना. These are only presentation question. Yes, Sanya, can you give me the reply of question number 2? Sanya, are you there? Subhana Noman, can you give me the reply of question number 2? Subhana Noman. Acha, Alishba Rizwan, can you give me the reply of question number 2? Hurry up, we have to complete the written work also. Yes, Alishba Rizwan. Yes, Ramesh. Ramesh, you should reply me for question number 2.
Miss David had not seen Mr. Wickfield for a long time, and his appearance shocked David.
Shocked David. And what was more shocking for David?
Miss he looked much
He looked
older,
unhealthy. His hands were trembling. And what was more
and
shocking for David?
control of Uriah Heep.
Huh? Yes, he was under control of Uriah Heep. Yes. Thank you, Ramesh. Yes, Halima. Question number 3. Halima, question number 3. Halima, can you reply me for question number 3? Yes, Nusaiba? Nusaiba, can you give me the answer of question number 3? Yes, Nusaiba?
Miss screen is not sharing.
Screen is not shared. Why?
Miss, may I give the answer?
I'm giving you the question. How was Auntie's reaction at Uriah's twisting habit? How did she reacted? Yes, Nusaiba?
Miss, may I give?
Yes.
Miss Uriah, he was twisting himself in an unpleasant way, and Auntie became very annoyed. And she said, "Don't twist like that."
Don't twist like a worm. If you are a man, then behave like a man. Okay? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Aisha Javed, can you respond me for question number 4? Yes, Aisha. Yes, Aisha. Aisha, can you give me the reply? Yes, who is going to reply me? Abdur Rahman, can you give me the reply? Abdur Rahman, can you give me the reply of question number 4? Why you people are not responding me? Yes, Alishba Rizwan. Okay. Yes, Alishba. Give me the answer of question number 4. David wrote to Dr. Strong to be his secretary. Okay, Aisha, very good. Okay, and what about question number 4? Who will reply me for question number 4? What did David decide to do? Yes, Arif, can you give me the reply of question number 4? What did David decide to do? Arif is not willing to give me the answer. Okay, I asked to unmute you, but you didn't. Okay, fine. Vanya, give me the reply of question number 4. What did David decide to do after hearing the news of his aunt ruin?
Miss,
Hmm?
Miss, may I give the answer of question number 4?
Who are you? Let me know your name. Okay.
Miss Alishba
Alishba
Rizwan.
Rizwan. Okay, fine. Yes.
Miss David decided to go to see Dr. Strong, who was willing for him to work as secretary.
Yes, to work for his secretary. Very good. Shabash. Okay, now we should start the written work. Okay, everybody take out your copies. First, write down the index. Okay, we have completed 13 questions. Okay, we have done 13 questions till yesterday. Today we will start question number 14. Okay, and we will complete it as much as we can do. First, write down the index. Okay, first maintain the index with the date. And please, kindly, if you will not be writing the date on the main page where you are starting the work, okay, so many students haven't mentioned the date from where they have started the work. ऐसे writing है, but there is no date of Monday. Okay, next हमारा topic था antonyms. There is no date of 12 January. If I will see the same thing in your literature copy in the same work, I will deduct your marks of not writing the date, of not mentioning the index. Okay, everybody should maintain the index whether you are working or not. आप homework करें या ना करें, if you haven't done classwork, then also you have to maintain the index. Whoever is listening to me right now, everybody has to make the index. Okay, and then come to the main page where you have to write down the questions. You have already done 13 questions. Okay, we have to start 14. And from where you are starting question number 14, you have to mention the date over there, whether you are starting with the very first line of the page or you are starting with the half of the page. Mention today's date over there, 20 January 21. Okay, and then start writing. I'm also dictating. This is written also on your screen. You can see from here also. Okay, question number 14 is, why did David want to do a job? Why did David want to do a job at Spenlow and Jorkins? At Spenlow and Jorkins. Why did David want to do a job at Spenlow and Jorkins? Spenlow and Jorkins का Spenlow's S should be capital because it's a company name and it is on the you may say the owner of the company. Spenlow is also a name of the owner and Jorkins also. So their first letter must be capital. Spenlow and Jorkins, question mark. Answer, David wanted to do a job. David wanted to do a job at Spenlow and Jorkins, and it will be enclosed in inverted commas. Whether it is double inverted commas or single, but it should be written in enclosed in inverted commas, or you can also write with the black pen. Okay. David wanted to do a job at Spenlow and Jorkins as he had to help Auntie Betsy. As he had to help Auntie Betsy, Betsy's B capital, Auntie Betsy, who was ruined, R-U-I-N-E-D, ruined. Full stop. Question number 15. Who was Dr. Strong? Doctor's D capital and small r. It is a contraction of doctor. Doctor complete nahi likhna. You just have to write short form of doctor. D capital, R small, then dot, which is full stop. Contraction. Okay. Question number 15 is who was Dr. Strong? Question mark. What was he looking for? What was he looking for? Question mark. Answer is Dr. Strong was the headmaster of. Am I going very fast or is it okay? The speed is okay to dictate you? Okay, fine. Dr. Strong was the headmaster of David's apostrophe S. David's old school, full stop. He was looking for a secretary. He was looking for a secretary. See the spelling of secretary? S-E-C-R-E-T-A-R-Y. Secretary. Yes, question number 16. Okay, Sumaya. Question number 16. Who came in all of a sudden? Who came in all of a sudden? S-U-D-D-E-N. Who came in all of a sudden when Agnes was cleaning? When Agnes was cleaning. When Agnes was cleaning and tidying. T-I-D-Y-I-N-G. You have to write the complete spelling of tidy and then attach ing with that. Cleaning and tidying in David's room. Answer is when Agnes was cleaning and tidying. When Agnes was cleaning and tidying, comma, Mr. Wickfield and Uriah Heep. Mr. Wickfield, Mr. again it's a contraction of Mr. capital M and small r, then full stop. Mr. It is not called actually full stop, it is called period. Okay, यहाँ हम इसको full stop नहीं period कहते हैं. Okay, when we are using it for the contractions, so we call it period, it is not a full stop. Mr. Wickfield and Uriah Heep came in all of a sudden. Came in all of a sudden. Yes, now come to question number 17. Question number 17. Why was David shocked? Why was David shocked Yes, Ramesh, you want to say something? Why was David shocked? Question mark. Okay, Ramesh, okay. What was more shocking for David? See if you are left behind, Ramesh and Arham. Hurry up, complete this question. Question number 17 is, why was David shocked? Question mark. What was more shocking for David? What was more shocking for David? What was more shocking for David? Just wait for 1 minute more so that Ramiz and Arham, they are left behind so they can come with us. You all should be very quick, okay? Increase your writing speed so that we can complete the word at the same time. Yes, I hope so, Sheroz, but they are still left behind. Now, write down the answer of question number 17. David was shocked. David was shocked. Gino Seba. David was shocked. Very good, Shabash. Good, Sheroz, very good. David was shocked to see Mr. Wickfield. David was shocked to see Mr. Wickfield after a long time, comma, after a long time, comma, as he was looking older, as he was looking older, as he was looking older and unhealthy, full stop. His hands trembled, his hands trembled, T-R-E-M-B-L-E-D. Trembled means shivering, moving. His hands trembled, full stop. David was more shocked. David was more shocked, S-H-O-C-K-E-D. More shocked. Shocked means surprised, okay, or astonished. David was more shocked when he noticed past form of notice. When he noticed that Mr. Wickfield was completely controlled by Uriah Heep. Completely controlled, C-O-N-T-R-O-L-L-E-D. Completely controlled by Uriah Heep, full stop. The respectable gentleman, G-E-N-T-L-E-M-A-N, it is M-A-N, okay? It's a single person. And gentle and man, in दोनों के बीच में there is no gap. You have to write it in as a single word. The respectable gentleman was obeying, O-B-E-Y-I-N-G, obeying a mean twisting Uriah. A mean twisting Uriah. Very good, Halima. Very nice. I want you all to complete 18 questions at least today. We have 2 more questions, but inshallah we will continue tomorrow. There is no problem, but we should complete till 18 at least. Very good, Jayakumar. Question number 18. What did Uriah Heep do? What did Uriah Heep do? What did Uriah Heep do when Agnes introduced David? When Agnes introduced, second form of introduce. When Agnes introduced Nusaiba, if screen is having any problem, you can even listen at least my voice. Okay, Nusaiba, don't consider on the screen if it's not sharing. Okay, if there is any problem, then you can listen to me at least. आप मुझे सुन के लिखना स्टार्ट कर दीजिए. What did Uriah Heep do when Agnes introduced David and Auntie Betsy to her father? And Auntie Betsy to her father. And Auntie Betsy to her father. Question mark. Answer is when Agnes introduced David, Agnes A capital, when Agnes introduced David and Auntie Betsy to her father, when Agnes introduced David and Auntie Betsy to her father, Uriah gave an ugly smile. Uriah gave an ugly smile. Uriah gave an ugly smile. Now we should stop here today, okay, as we are having only 2 minutes. Okay, Ramiz, see here. Okay, and we cannot complete 20 questions today. So we will inshallah continue from question number 19. We have 20 questions of this lesson. 2 questions and RTC will be done tomorrow with the explanation of last chapter of this lesson. Okay, and then we will be having summary also. Okay, it will be inshallah complete till Friday. Explanation plus written work will be done till Friday. But I want proper work from all of you so that I can give you full marks. I don't want to deduct the marks of anybody. Okay, 9 out of 10 or 7 out of 10, I don't want to do this. But you people compel me to deduct your marks, so I want all of you to maintain the index properly, to write down the date from where you are starting the question. Okay, so you should be very particular, very you can say very attentive while I'm dictating you what you have to do. So many students haven't written the exercise number even of antonyms. We had got 4 exercises except list, but rarely I saw the complete work in the copies. Okay, I want all of you to complete the work properly with proper headings, with proper writing, with complete maintenance of that. Okay, inshallah we will meet tomorrow with the new explanation of this lesson, and 2 more questions are left. Yes, Arham? Okay. Yes, today is homework day and today is your dictation day also. Okay, I will be posting in few minutes. थोड़ा सा time लगेगा. Okay, then I will be posting the video also, recorded video of this lecture plus homework also and dictation also. Okay, I will be posting that in 5 to 10 minutes. ठीक है? Okay, take care all of you. We will inshallah meet tomorrow. Till then, Allah Hafiz.